Passat B8, Jetta installation Y. Turn off the speed limit alarm and winter tires before mounting. Access to settings, multifunction display, speed limit alarm. Make sure you take this off for the speed alarm. After ticking the box, then quit and hit the speed alarm again. Press OK and adjust upwards to the maximum value to 150. Set it to be 250, then OK. Return to the multifunction menu and find winter tires. Turn it off. Then finish the settings. Now let's remove the original gauges. See my finger arrow 1 dot to dot 3 dot 4. 5、6、7、8、9、10、11、12. When removing the cowl, first turn the steering wheel down so it's easier to remove. Try loose air conditioning panels, etc. Also for this part, when we're done with the second side, we'll take down the middle. Please pay attention to the air conditioner. It's wired to hold down this button. Plug out the cable. Take out your screwdriver and remove these 2 screws. Please be careful not to let the screw fall out and catch it with your hand. Now we take out the original mechanical instruments. Plug out the cable. Now it has the buckle. Hold it down here. Pull it up. Take it out. Remove 6 screws. Pull out these 2 springs. There are also have 2. Pull out these 2 springs. Take out these for pointers. Break these 4 fingers apart. Also for this 2 part. Then gently lift it out. Take out the motherboard. Open the digital dashboard and break off the clips at every corner. Installing the freshly removed original motherboard. Put the spacer from the back over this. And then screw in the screws that came from us. Fixed screw, covered. Screw all. This is the frame of our original mechanical meter. Starting with this part of the removal, it's this little frame. How does it work? On the back there are these solder joints. Take these pliers and cut off the joints. Here. After cut, it will look like this frame. Take it out and looks like this frame. This is what it looks like with the box removed, without that part. This is our cable. This USB port is for the update file. Ignore it, just put it in the storage. This is the main connector. It connects to our original car. Be sure to tighten the clips. These 2 cables connect to the digital cluster. Blue to blue, green to green. This is update USB port. Put it like this storage. inside from here. Put back the cover. After connect the cable well, then we install the digital cluster. Fix the 2 screws. Then we put on a modified LCD dashboard frame. Pay attention to connect this cable. Well, now all finished. Super cool after modifying. Thanks for watching from Prelinka.